Eyes are the mirrors of our soul. Well-designed illumination parts distinguish an automobile. WeNeeds Enterprise Corporation is specialized in developing automotive illumination systems using advanced reverse engineering technology. Reverse engineering technology became popular recently for making replacement lighting parts for automobiles. The engineering of original lighting parts starts by designing a prototype. Then the factory prepares a mold and uses it to make the final products. Reverse engineering proceeds in the opposite order. The designer starts out from the finished product without access to its mold. His major goal is, however, to recreate a functionally similar mold. This method is free of legal barriers and provides a quick and cost-effective way to produce replacement parts. WeNeeds Enterprise is dedicated to quality, accuracy, and efficiency in developing replacement lighting parts for cars. WeNeeds provides clients with a complete service, including recreating or developing prototypes of lighting parts for any automotive model, as well as constructing the mold for mass production in the plastic factory. Our development process includes 4 stages: analyzing and measuring the product to be replicated, designing the machinery and the optical features of a light, milling the mold items, and building the complete mold. These 4 stages are handled respectively by our 4 departments. As we receive the request from our client, the designing team first analyzes and measures the source parts. We use both optical scanning and coordinate measuring to obtain an accurate measurement of the shape. In our measuring center, the object is first scanned by the ATOS 3D optical scanning system. This high-resolution system can generate up to 4 million data points from a single run. Several runs of measurement for one object are merged into a project and passed to our designing department. If a part has a very complex surface, it will also be manually measured by the coordinate measuring machine. This system allows the engineer to pinpoint the most complex curves and surfaces and generate millions of reference points on the computer. The data is then combined with data obtained by the optical scanning process and is forwarded to the designing center. Our designing center has 2 departments. One is in charge of the machinery design, while the other is in charge of the optical design of the lighting part. In the machinery design section, the engineers design the external shape and other mechanical features of an illumination part. WeNeeds uses the Euclid Quantum CAD/CAM software system for the machining design. This software was developed by Matra, a leading French company in the field. Because this system was originally used to build the parts for Concorde airplanes, it can perform powerful and sophisticated engineering functions. This system enables our designers to generate accurate 3D models for creating a mold. In the optical design section, the emission and reflection angles of the light are calculated and controlled. Our engineer simulates the path of light on the ASAP optical analysis system and checks the resolution of the light. This procedure not only speeds up building the prototype, but also guarantees that all our illumination parts fulfill the legal and safety requirements on the road. Our milling department uses 8 high-speed precision CNC milling machines of 22,000 RPM. The milling tool paths are first programmed and simulated by a CAM software application called PowerMill. In this way, we not only avoid mistakes during cutting, but also reduce cost and time. Any complex curve or surface of a mold is trimmed precisely according to the design. Regardless of the materials and complexity of design, our finished mold is always satisfactory. When all the mold parts are complete, they are sent to our mold assembly department for final processing. In this department, the cooling paths and the push-out paths for the injected plastic are designed and cut on the milling machine. The processed parts are then electropolished to finalize the delicate corners and fine curves. Then our experienced mechanical engineers manually refine the delicate corners and curves along the mold surface. Finally, the parts are put together and the mold is ready to be sent to the plastic plant. We believe that our innovation and efficiency in the light-making process contribute to a higher efficiency in the customer service of car repair facilities, as well as ensure the safety and comfort of driving on the road. WeNeeds Enterprise Corporation is dedicated to applying reverse engineering technology and making quality replacement automotive lighting.